how to say when in Japanese? When.
When? It's?
It's tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm sure.
Or after school だね。After school.
ね。
じゃあ危ないよ。After school.
Tomorrow ね、
alone here.
Monday ね、I will work. And then Tuesday, asumi だね。Holiday. I take a leave.
Together ね。
So, Monday,
じゃあ Monday?
I'll come here.
Me.
Alone and Okasan come and Michan late tayo ne.
いいよ。じゃあとりあえずホテル泊まりがなくなったからね。
いいの
Next time ね。Another good time.
Because short only din.
もったいないよね。
Busy din.
Just only like after work, right?